This insect is smaller than a paperclip, yet it's responsible for more deaths than any other creature on Earth. It's the mosquito, and in the next few minutes we'll explore why mosquitoes are so deadly, where they live and how they've shaped human history. Despite their size, mosquitoes kill over 700,000 people every year. But how? It's not the bite that kills. It's what they carry. Mosquitoes are vectors. That's the scientific term for organisms that transmit diseases between humans and animals. Some of the most dangerous diseases they spread include malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, yellow fever, chikungunya, and West Nile virus. All these diseases have one thing in common: they're caused by viruses. And what makes mosquitoes terrifying is they don't just carry one disease. They're like little flying syringes full of viruses. When they land on a human host, they inject pathogens into our bloodstream through their saliva. And then when they leave, they pick up more pathogens from our blood. That way they infect others, spreading the disease even further. To make matters worse, mosquitoes are found on every continent except Antarctica. That means wherever humans live, mosquitoes are likely nearby, and with climate change, rising temperatures, and increased rainfall, they're expanding into new areas. Mosquitoes breed in standing water, even a puddle, old tires, flower pots, or clogged gutters. More rain and warmer temperatures mean more places for mosquitoes to lay their eggs and more chances for them to find a human blood meal. But not all mosquitoes are created equal. There are over 3,500 species worldwide, but some are more dangerous than others. Anopheles mosquitoes, for example, are the main culprits behind malaria, a disease that kills over 600,000 people annually, mostly children under 5. These mosquitoes are mostly found in sub-Saharan Africa, South Asia, and parts of Latin America. Then there's Aedes aegypti, the yellow fever mosquito. This species spreads dengue, Zika, and yellow fever. Originally found only in Africa, Asia, and the Pacific, aegypti has now spread to almost every tropical and subtropical region worldwide, including parts of southern US. And finally, we have Culex mosquitoes, which carry the West Nile virus. They're found in temperate regions across North America, Europe, and Asia. So how can we fight back against such an elusive and deadly foe? The good news is that we're developing new tools to take on mosquitoes. Bed nets and insect repellent help, especially in malaria zones. Vaccines for malaria and dengue are also showing promise, which would be a major breakthrough. Other approaches include releasing genetically modified male mosquitoes that compete with their wild counterparts and reducing the population. Scientists are also working on ways to block mosquito sensory systems so they can't find humans to feed on. But while these scientific advances are promising, education and sanitation still go a long way. Removing standing water, using screens on windows and doors, and raising community awareness about the importance of eliminating mosquito breeding grounds can make a big difference. Mosquitoes may be small, but their impact is massive. They're a constant threat to human health, a deadly reminder that some of the most dangerous foes come in the smallest packages. So next time you hear that familiar buzz, remember it's not just a mosquito, it's the world's deadliest killer.